This tutorial I will going to show on how to make fantasy photo manipulation with soft color effects. So let's start now. At first open your Photoshop, then open your image. Then select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Alt or Ctrl R for refine edge. Here select to onion skin. And select refine tool and select your hair outside area. In this Refine Edge dialog box, make sure to output to new layer and click on checkbox Remember Settings, then OK. Now open your background. And hold mouse left click and drag your wall photo and set up on your background. Now select Move tool and move your image to your background. Press Ctrl T and resize your image. If you want to change your background, again take and drag on there. Hold mouse left click and drag your tree image. And same process, take your another images. Select this layer and create mask. And select brush tool and make sure to your foreground color is black. And erase your unexpected area. Here need to erase tree background. So same process. Create mask and erase your unexpected area. Must be opacity and flow decreases low. Now take bird's image and must be opacity decreases low. For realistic. Now off your subject layer and wall layer, and here stay your background. So select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Again on your another two layers. Now select your background layer and use color lookup. Select your any color lookup filter and must be opacity decreases low. Now select smudge tool and strength select to 10%. Now use on your face. Now select your hair brush and must be strength increases hot and use on your hair. Select your subject layer and go to filter, then camera raw filter. Here corrections as your desire. Then OK. Now select your wall layer and use brightness contrast. And decreases your brightness. Create a new layer under your subject layer. And select brush tool and select your foreground color, which color you want to soft light. And must be opacity and flow decreases low. Now again select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Select this top layer and use gradient. Select your any gradient fill and from blending mode select to soft light. And must be opacity decreases low. Again hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Go to filter, then Nik collection, then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on add filter. And use another filter. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.